really should be wrapping presents, but I got some orders that are going out this week and I really need to make some more logo stickers for my packaging because I'm all out. So let's do that real quick and then we can call this a night. Now, before I get into making these stickers, I would like to remind you that I have forgotten how I made them the last time because I made so many. I made like, I don't know, like 200 the last time, and I've forgotten. And I've got a new computer since, so it's probably gonna take a minute for me to figure out what I did. Ugh. Okay, I figured it out. It didn't take that long. I'm gonna show you how I did it. I made it in Canva and then printed out with my Faux Memo thermal printer, which is like a Rollo, but it's a plug-in kind that I got off of Amazon. So let me show you really quick. So in Canva, I went to create a design. So I'll show you really quick. I'll go back home. Let me go back home. So where's the home? So create new design right here. So I did that. Okay. And then I said I wanted a custom size, and I did 2 by 2 inches. Okay, 2 by 2 inches. That's what I did. It gave me this round circle, and I put my logo in the middle. Okay, then I went over here and I hit share, and I downloaded right there this image. Okay, so I did that. So when I downloaded the image, I saved it as PDF, and it is here in my file folders. So I open it up, double click, open it up. Let's make this big so we can see everything, because that's what old people say, right? Oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. Hold on, let me exit. We're gonna go to File, and then I'm gonna go down to Print. And then when this pops up, we have to make some adjustments here, okay? So I changed my printer here. Let me get a little bit in here so you can see what I'm doing. Nope, you don't want that. You want, oh, that's too big. There we go. So I went in here, I picked my Faux Memo label printer, default settings, 1 copy, but I'm gonna make, I think I'm gonna make like 70. And do all pages. Paper size is important. You did change it to the size of your label, and I did 2 by 2 because it's round. Auto rotate, scale to fit, print entire image, yes, and then I'm just gonna hit print. And now it's printing. Now this doesn't take ink because it's a thermal printer, so it's going to print with heat. Now I am noticing that it's a little crooked, but that is because I have too much junk back here and I couldn't smush it over. Oh shoot. Maybe that'll make it a little bit better. Yeah, well, that's 70 right there, so that's nice and easy. Now, as far as using a thermal printer over using the sheets of sticker paper that are already cut out in circles, I would recommend this thermal printer any day because it does not take ink, okay? It is thermal. It is going to print with heat, so you're not going to need to refill ink or do anything. The downside, though, is you're not going to be able to print any color. So if your logo or what you're printing has color in it, then you're going to have to go the old school route and use the actual sticker paper. But if whatever you're printing is just black, like my logo, then you can use this printer for that. And I think I paid like maybe 75 bucks off Amazon. The only thing that I wish is that it was wireless, but it's not, and it still gets the job done. I just have to make sure that I have it close to my actual computer because it has to be connected. But it's just a great deal, and I use it all the time. I use it for my labels, right, when I'm mailing things out, because I'm not using my regular printer for that. That's a lot of ink. I'm not doing that. I also use it for tag me labels. Let me show you. I do these tag and share things. They make different color labels, so you can, you know, if you want to jazz it up a little bit. I also make fragile labels, right? So you could do that. But just using this alone for printing your labels is awesome. It's worth the price, and this thing is paid for itself. Moreover, so put this on your wish list for Christmas, because this any kind of thermal printer is good. I only have experience with the Fomimo. I think they make a Mun Bun, which is another one. I truly really just got this one because it was pink, and it matches my craft room. But I love it.